Hi, thanks for joining me today. I have a special video featuring a very cool seahorse mold, and this was sent to me by Sandy at Two Fat Birds Creative. She also sent me this super cute betta fish. It has little stars in it. I love this so much. I can't wait to do something with this too. I wanted to go ahead and make a very simple, beginner-friendly resin pour just to showcase this mold. Oddity Abyss molds are incredible. You really need to check them out if you haven't. They do have a special right now where you can use a code to get 15% off of your order. It's right there on their homepage. I highly encourage you to check out their stuff. Thank you again, Sandy. Love you. I have some leftover clear resin from my swirly mushroom jar pour, and to that I'm going to be adding this blue interference powder from Let's Resin, and this resin will be going in first. I really like using clear resin with either interference or hypershift powders in it and no dye. I feel like it really showcases the shimmer of those powders, and it creates just kind of a cool sort of ghosty effect. I'm not filling this up all the way because I'm going to be adding more resin to it. I will be using this translucent resin dye in the color Fluorite, and it's basically an aqua blue. And I'll be adding that to the resin I already have that has the interference powder in it. In case you weren't aware, I'm totally a professional at this. I do want to make sure I have enough dye in there that it's a noticeably different color, but I don't want it to take over the lighter resin. I drizzle this around the seahorse figurine, and I just do that until it's slightly domed. Okay, cats and kittens, I created a new tiki themed logo for myself. What do you think of it? Do you like it? I definitely think this is going to replace my current logo. It's much more my style, and my studio is tiki-licious, if I may say so myself. I think it's more fitting for me. Here I am, popping bubbles. This goes into my curing machine with a few other items, and it will be ready to demold in a few hours. It's time to take this super cute figurine out of the mold, and the resin did shrink down a slight bit, so I could have domed it a little more, but there are no sharp edges. It's so cute. I love the way the two different colored resins kind of marbled together, and this has such a pretty rounded edge to the mold, and I hope they're all like this. This little guy is ready for his glamour shots, and here he is in all of his sparkly glory. I really like this figurine mold. I can't wait to use it again. I'm thinking it would make really cute ornaments and maybe even a keychain. I don't know. I can't wait to see what else I make with it. It would also be a really cool inclusion in a small tray or something like that. What do you think I should do? Thank you again, Sandy. I can't thank you enough, and I hope you like this really cute seahorse mold. Don't forget to check out her channel and Oddity Abyss molds. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, my kitschy cats and kittens, and I'll see you soon.